Now we are going to see the third sum. So what is the third sum they have given? If the distance of a point from the point 2, 1, 1, 2 are in the ratio 2:1, then find the locus of the point. So we have to draw first of all A 2, 1, then B 1, 2. Okay, we are just drawing in the graph. Okay, so this is 1, 2 in the sense this 1 and this 2. And here 2, 1, 2, 1 we are drawing. Next they are saying or in the ratio 2:1 they are saying. Now we are going to start the solution. What is the solution? Let P of x1, y1 be any point on the locus A of 2, 1 and B of 1, 2 or the fixed point. Next what we have to do, they have given P of A equal to P of B is equal to 2:1. So P of A, that is P of A, and P of B 2:1. Next what we are doing, we know the product of extremes equal to product of means you have studied in your lower classes. Using that we are writing P of A is equal to 2 into P of B. So P of A into 1 is equal to P of B into 2. Next what we are doing, we are just squaring on both sides. Let this be 1. So squaring 1 on both sides. Okay, so squaring 1 on both sides in the sense PA square equal to 2PB the whole square. Then PA square is equal to 2 square PB the square. So PA square is equal to 4PB the square. Okay, so this is how we have got it. Now we are going to start to write the equation. So equation in the sense this is the A. So x1 minus 2 the whole square, x1 minus 2 the whole square, using that point we are writing. Then plus y1 minus 1 the whole square equal to 4 into, then here point B is there. So x1 minus 1 the whole square plus y1 minus 2 the whole square. Next we are going to expand using the formula. So this is A minus B the whole square formula, we are going to expand it. So x1 square plus 4 minus 2 into x1 plus y1 square, okay, plus 1 minus 2 into 1 into y1. Okay, then that is equal to 4 into x1 square plus 1 square minus 2x1 into 1, then plus y1 square plus 2 square minus 2 into y1. Okay, so this is how you have to write it. Now we are going to join this one. That is what is the answer we will be getting, x1 square plus 4 minus 4x1 plus y1 square plus 1 minus 2y1, then that is equal to 4 into x1 square plus 1 minus 2x1 plus y1 square plus 4 minus 4y1. Okay, so this is how we will be getting the equation. Now we are going to multiply this 4 inside. So what is the answer we will be getting, x1 square plus 4 minus 4x1 plus y1 square plus 1 minus 2y1 is it equal to 4x1 square plus 4 minus 8x1 plus 4y1 square plus 16 minus 16y1. Okay, so just what we have did, we just multiply it. Now we are taking the terms, what we are taking all these terms this side. Okay, or otherwise what we can do, we are take this terms and all that side. Okay, this is the smallest terms is there, x1 square. So we are taking the all these terms that side in the sense. So 0 equal to 4 x1 square minus x1 square plus 4 minus 8x1 plus 4 y1 square plus 16 minus 16y1, then minus 4 plus 4x1, then minus y1 square, then minus 1, then minus 2, that is plus 2y1. Okay, so this what you will be getting. So all these terms what we are doing, we are taking this side in the sense this plus terms and all will change it as minus, and minus terms will all change to the plus. So that implies 0 is it equal to, so these two terms we have to see it. So that is, these are the two terms of x1 square. So that means 3x1 square, then plus, here what we can do, here this is 4y, this two terms is there. So you just write it 4 y1 square minus y1 square, then 8 minus 8x1 plus 4x1, then minus 16y1, next is plus 2y1, then what will come, plus 4, then plus 16 minus 4, then minus 1. Okay, so first of all this x terms, y terms, then x1 terms, y1 terms, then constant. So that implies 0 is it equal to 3x1 square, then plus 3y1 square, then minus 4x1, then what will come here, minus 14y1. Next is here plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled. Then lastly what is the answer, 16 minus 1 is what is the answer, 15. That implies we are going to write as 3x1 square, okay, plus 3y1 square minus 4x1 minus 14y1 plus 15 equal to 0. Therefore the locus of the point x1 comma y1 is 3x square plus 3y square minus 4x minus 14y plus 15 equal to 0. So this how you have to do this.